Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can create an Instagram story in Adobe Express app. So let's start. So first of all, what we have to do, we have to go to the Adobe Express app. So I'm going to open this. Let's click on it. So as you can see, after clicking on this, the Adobe Express will be open like this. Now, if you want to search for the story, you can also do that. You have to click on the search all templates and you need to search. Or if you want to click on this Instagram story, so you have to click on this. Let's click on it, and after clicking on this it will be opened. So as you can see, now it's open. The Instagram story size is open. You have to add the animation, that which type of animation you want to add. For example, I want to add this one, so let's click on this and it will be added like this. So if you want to edit this, you have to double tap on this and then let's click on the done, and let's double clicking on this, and now we have to write this is my first story, and now let's click on the right, and now it's done. If you want to add any kind of other thing, you can also do that, like fonts recommendation is also provided here. If you want to add, use this one and then done. And if you want to add the animation, you can also do that and add anything. If you want to click on the add, for example, I want to add the layout, so let's click on the layout, and now we need to choose that which type of layout you want to use. For example, I want to use this type of layout, and let's click on this. As you can see, as the download icon, if you click on the download, and now you have to choose that in which format you want, in the videos format or the images format, and then simply you have to hit the download and this will be downloaded. So I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can do this. So see you guys in the next video.